Hey guys, it's Pauline. I picked up a couple of things that I wanted to share, and so let's get into it. It says shop box. I'm going to go ahead and open this up because I wasn't sure what this was. I get household items as well, so I wasn't quite sure. I think this was a really cute little box here. Alright, so let's take a look. Oh, so I got this from Amazon. I thought that even though this is not a cow print, I thought that this color might be cute with a cow print purse that I have. I think it might match it, but I thought that I would share this UGG, and they were on sale. What's the name of that one? I can see that it looks blurry. Let's see. So I thought these were cute. They're probably gonna be hot in the summertime, but I picked this up. I thought I would share that with you guys. I think I have one pair of Uggs that are like some galoshes, rain shoes, and I never use them, even though it rains here a lot. But yeah, so I thought that I would share that with you. I thought that would be cute with my cow hair purse that I picked up last year. I didn't pick anything up from the Coach drop this time. I thought their their cow hair, calf hair, whatever. I thought they were cute, but I didn't pick them up. So that is that one. And then we went out of town this past weekend, and we went to a graduation. And we went to a graduation at UAB, which is in Birmingham, Alabama. And there is a Coach outlet near there. It's called Leeds. And so we stopped there. I was kind of disappointed they didn't have any, which I thought the April 29th drop, y'all, was just crazy. I didn't think any of that, well, very little of that was cute. And the stuff that was cute was super overpriced. So I didn't pick up anything from the drop. Now this is, I don't think this is from the drop. I'm not sure, because this is actually on sale. So when I went in there, they did not have a sale price on it, but I had already seen it online. So I went in there and I had to ask, hey, is this on sale? And they had to go look it up. The workers didn't know. But when they did, they only had one purse out there. They went in the back. I asked them, did they have anything in the back? And they went out there and they picked this one up in the back. So now I did pick up this, and I'm happy to have picked this up. A coworker of mine, she had the large denim on from last year, not this year. She had the large one from last year. She didn't use it. It's been sitting in her closet for a year, y'all, just sitting on the shelf. And so she finally let me buy it, and so I knew I was going to get it, so I went ahead and picked this up. And this was like $35 to go with it. I'm so excited, y'all. I did do a little short about it. But anyway, so I picked that up to go with that, and then I picked this up. I thought that this was really cute, and I don't have a Laurel. I kind of want a Laurel, but I think that this, in my opinion, is comparable to one. So let's take a look at this. This was the price on the that was advertised was $219. This was actually on sale for $150. I love this color. I love this color. And this leather feels really soft and smooth. I mean, it feels like a glove. It's so nice. So let's take a look. It does not have feet or anything. It's in the hobo style. I don't have many of those. I do like them. I just don't generally gravitate toward them. But I really thought that this was neat. And I guess what I would probably use for this is I'd probably hang a charm off of this. But I think this is supposed to be for your keys. That's really cute. And you got the Coach brand in there. Very nice, y'all. I mean, this leather is really, really nice. And so I don't know if we already looked at that. I wanted you to see the name and the code for this one. Now, they have this in several colors. This particular color, I think, was the only one on sale. But I really like it. I think it's really nice. I think it's, pretty nice for the $219, but it's really nice to get it for the $150. All right. And I tried this on. I have kind of big arms. They are shrinking now. Yay. But this would accommodate a big arm girl. All right. And it stays on my shoulder. I tried it on in store. It did not slip off. The only thing about that Leeds store, I had two guys, and I felt more like they were monitoring me than trying to help me, and that was irritating. I didn't realize, that you can make this into a crossbody. I didn't even realize that feature, y'all. I didn't look inside. So they give you more, so you can turn this into a crossbody. Wow, I like that. That is neat. And that's a high quality strap there. Okay, so let's look at how big it is inside. I think that is a pretty decent cavity. So this is called, I think this one is called the Ella, and it's kind of dark in there, so it's hard to see, but I like dark. So, because it's hard, it would be hard to see like ink spots and stuff too. All right, so let's see when she was born. J of 25, so this is last year's. Okay. Late last year, J. I don't know which month that is. All right, so taking that out, and there we go. And there she is. I am super happy with her. And I can't wait to put her in rotation. I mean, y'all, the feel of it is so nice. It's so smooth. Well, that is what I had to share today. I think that kind of even is cute together. But y'all can tell me what you think. Did you pick up one of these? Check it out. It's down to $150. All right, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.